In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cookies from Samsung phone. First, let's start by opening the Samsung internet or browser on your device. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a globe or a circle with a stylized S in it. Tapping this icon will launch the browser, allowing you to access your favorite websites. This step is vital because you need to be inside the browser to manage your data. Once the browser is open, you will be ready to navigate to the settings where you can delete those cookies. Next, you need to access the settings for the Samsung browser. To do this, tap on the three vertical lines or dots usually found at the bottom or top of your screen depending on your device version. This action will open a menu with various options. From there, tap on Settings. This location houses all the essential tools you need to manage your browsing experience. By accessing these settings, you're taking control of your data, which is important for both security and performance. Now locate the option labeled Personal Browsing Data within the Settings menu. This section is specifically designed for managing your browsing history and other related items. Tapping on it will take you to a new screen where you'll see several types of data you can manage, including cookies. Understanding this menu is crucial because it shows you what data is stored and gives you options to clear it. Once you're in the Personal Browsing Data section, look for and tap on Delete Browsing Data. This step will bring up a new screen with several options for what you want to remove. Here you can see checkboxes for items like browsing history, cache, and cookies. It's important to take your time with this step because you want to ensure you're selecting the right data to delete. Next, check the box next to Cookies and Site Data. This action specifically targets cookies, which can slow down your browser and compromise your privacy. Cookies store information about your browsing activities, and sometimes clearing them can enhance your browsing speed and security. After you check this option, you will be one step closer to freeing up space on your device. Now, tap on Delete Data. This button will initiate the process of removing the cookies and site data you just selected. You might notice a momentary pause as your device processes the request. It's completely normal and shows that the deletion is underway. This step is crucial because it ensures that the data you no longer need is being removed effectively. After that, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap on Delete to confirm your action. This final step is essential as it ensures that you are intentionally deleting the data. Once you confirm, the cookies will be permanently removed from your Samsung device. It's a straightforward yet powerful action that helps maintain your privacy and improves performance. With that done, you have successfully deleted cookies from your Samsung phone. This process can be repeated whenever you feel your browser is cluttered or slow. Remember, regularly clearing cookies can help keep your browsing experience smooth and secure. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.